Hello, everyone! In today's video, subscribe to our channel and like this video. It is very important for us to continue our work. I'm going to share with you 2 delicious and healthy detox juice recipes that you can easily make at home using just a few simple ingredients. These juices are packed with nutrients that can help boost your immune system, aid in digestion, and promote overall health and well-being. Let's start with the first recipe, which is a kale, parsley, lemon, and water detox juice. Ingredients: 2 cups of kale, washed and chopped. Half a cup of parsley, washed and chopped. 1 lemon, juiced. 2 cups of water. Instructions: 1. Wash and chop the kale and parsley. 2. Add the kale, parsley, lemon juice, and water to a blender. 3. Blend all the ingredients until the juice is smooth. 4. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately. This juice is loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help improve digestion, boost energy levels, and support overall health. Now, let's move on to the second recipe, which is a beetroot, carrot, ginger, and apple detox juice. Ingredients: 1 medium-sized beetroot, peeled and chopped. 2 medium-sized carrots, washed and chopped. 1-inch piece of fresh ginger, peeled and chopped. 1 apple, cored and chopped. 2 cups of water. Instructions: 1. Wash, peel, and chop the beetroot, carrots, ginger, and apple. 2. Add the chopped ingredients and water to a blender. 3. Blend all the ingredients until the juice is smooth. 4. Pour the juice into a glass and enjoy immediately. This juice is packed with antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and essential vitamins and minerals that can help boost your immune system, support detoxification, and promote healthy skin and hair. In conclusion, these 2 detox juice recipes are a great way to incorporate more nutrients into your diet, improve your overall health, and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Give them a try and let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.